Hello friends, welcome to the new session of physics. From today onwards, we are going to start with chapter number 1, which is electric charge and electric field. Already Vishal sir told you regarding chapter number 1, which is electric charge and electric field, but here I would like to uh, discuss something regarding basics of charges. As you already told me regarding fundamental particles, which is more than 100, but here we are considering only three particles, which is known as fundamental particles. Over here we have three particles, which is indicated as a fundamental particle. So here we have first one, name is electron, which is indicated as a negatively charged particle. Proton, that means positively charged particle, and a neutron, which is chargeless particle. Here, over here you can see that we have a simple word which is common in all the sentences, which is charge. It means for charge is a basic particle. Okay, now based on this charge we have a full chapter named electric charge and electric field, this one. Fine. Now what is the charges? So remember, basically charge is a fundamental intrinsic property. You already studied, so I am not going to repeat it. And it's additive in nature, that is also you know that. Okay, fine. So we are not going to repeat the same thing now. Okay, but we are going ahead now. See, charge, also known as electric charge, it has two type. First one is positive charge, which is indicated by plus q. It means what? Q is a symbol of charge. You can go for plus q, or you can go for a small q, sorry, big q and small q. Another type of charge is negative charge. So here also I indicate a minus, it means a negative, and q, which is a symbol of charge. Minus q or plus q, you can take anything. Fine. Now conventionally we are considering proton as a positive charge particle and electron is negative charge particle. Fine. Remember, charge is a physical quantity, it means it has a unit. The SI unit basically we are considering in full physics. So unit of charge is coulomb, because he was a scientist and he discovered this charge. So coulomb, in the honor of that scientist, coulomb is known as SI unit of charge. Remember, it's a big unit, so we are considering in small quantity only. One more thing, C is a symbol of coulomb. Fine. Now definition also we have. Let's see the definition. Amount of charge passing through any cross-sectional area of a conductor carrying 1 ampere of electric current in 1 second. Remember, it's a 1, is called 1 coulomb. Okay, so this is a basic definition. Now magnitude of charge, which is very important. Remember all students, this relation, magnitude of charge or electron on electron or proton is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. If you are going for electron, you have to go for minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. If we are going for proton, means it is plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so this is basics of our chapter. Now moving towards property of electric charge. In this we have a first one, which is quantization of electric charge. Now see, in quantization of electric charge, experiment shows that all charges found or occurring in nature, whatever it is, positive or negative, doesn't matter, all the charges found in nature are integral multiple of certain elementary electric charges. Okay, remember, this is a definition of quantization of charge. Again I am going to repeat it. All charges found in nature are integral multiple of certain elementary electric charges. I used the word found or occurring, which is doesn't matter, same only. Here this fact is known as quantization of charge. Okay, this elementary charge means charge of an electron, right? Now see how to find quantization of charge. Let us take for that, let us take one example of object. Here I draw one object. You can consider any object, regular or irregular, doesn't matter. And see, these are the number of particles by which is present on the surface or in the object. Okay, here you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, whatever. Okay, it means what? Object consist nth number of particle. Okay, where n equal to number of particle, that means 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Okay, now on this object we would like to find total number of charges. So how to find? By using this definition. Here you can see nature means integral multiple of certain elementary electric charge. So by using this definition we can go for it. So here we have total number of charge, total number of charge, which is q, equal to number of particle multiplied by magnitude of charge particle. Okay, the total number of particle over here we have n, so here we are taking n, and magnitude of charge on an electron, which is e, where e equal to, you can take 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay, remember it is E equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay, all students please be careful. This is very important equation in terms of theory as well as in terms of numerical. So do not forget this equation. That's it. Okay, so this is the end of the theory for today. Have a good day. One more thing, you please write all this theory in a notebook and WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.